how to embed Canva code onto Shopify. So here, I'll just go to my Canva design. I've taken this sample design here, and we want to click on share and then click on more and choose the option to embed. This will generate code for us, which we have to copy. So just click on copy, and now we will have successfully copied this HTML code from Canva. Now we want to go to our Shopify store here, and we're simply going to click on online store, and this will take us to the themes page. Scroll down a little bit until you see your current theme and click on customize. Now, depending on where you want this design to be added, we will click on add section, either from the header, the template here, the footer. We can just click on add section, and we will have to search for custom liquid. If you don't see it, just search for custom liquid. And it's gonna look like this. Click on it, and this will add a custom liquid here in our header. Click once on it, left click once on it, and paste your code like so. Now, as you can see, we have our Canva design added onto Shopify. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.